Among all the social media platforms, LinkedIn is termed as the best place for advertising, especially in B2B marketing. To let you know, not just marketing, but LinkedIn advertising is equally beneficial for people from every sector and industry. It is as good for sales as it is for searching a job. If you are thinking among various platforms, why should be choosing LinkedIn for advertising, then here are some reasons. Professionalism. The foremost reason for choosing LinkedIn as your advertisement platform is its professionalism. Most of the users here are from professional sectors or backgrounds such as marketing, sales, business, entrepreneurship, and etc. It includes popular firms, businessmen, and also students or people who are seeking jobs. Due to its refined audience, it becomes easy to find potential client and connection which aligns to your need. Targeting. LinkedIn is also known for its advanced audience targeting tools and features. It uses demographics to look for potential users, which is common among different advertising platforms. But LinkedIn has some perks which gives it an upper hand over the other providers. With LinkedIn Premium, you can filter your searches by looking for users who have recently left their job, company size, job seniority, etc. If you sell something related to marketing, you can look for people who have any links or recent activity with the marketing industry and look forward to making them your customer. Better audience section. Due to its majority users being professionals, you have an increased chance to sell your product and also get a high number of potential connections. You would also find an immense user base on other platforms, but your advertisement there is more likely to fade off as a seller because most of the audience section there is looking for entertaining posts and uploads, and your advert would just be a distraction for them. A fun product would work, but not something which is for the professional segment. Analytics. The analytics present in LinkedIn are very helpful for an advertiser. There are features like real-time update, impressions as to how many people the ad reached, cost per click for average cost spent on one click, click-through rate for the number of clicks received as compared to number of times the ad is shown, and other numerous features. This comes up in different formats such as simple colored graph and percentage, which makes it a lot easier for further understanding.